today we are dressed in pink and we are eating pink food from a pink bowl. We are going to show you how to propagate succulents from leaf cuttings. What you want to do is you want to pull the leaves, first take all the dead leaves off, then pull the leaves back down the stem towards the stem so they make a clear cut there. Then that piece where you've just taken it off the stem must be the piece that touches the ground. Once you've done that, you can continue on the next leaf and the next layer. Do you want to put down for Mummy?
Oh.
Okay, put that down there for Mummy. Yay! Here we go, another one. Oh! To be honest, no matter how they fall, they will root. So you can, Rose's way of just chucking them down, my meticulous way of arranging them in a position, that's how I arrange her food as well. Either way works. Here you go, you do that one. Okay, almost done here. Then the secret magic about succulents, especially these rosettes, they're the best for, here you go. They're the best for doing cuttings like this, is that you can reuse the stems to grow again as well. So now that we've taken the leaves all off, you can actually, a new succulent will grow from this. So I'm going to put that in the middle, lay it down there on the middle. It can just be on its side. Then what you want to do is you want to take your spray bottle and you just want to lightly mist. And you want to do that maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Keep it in a sunny spot. Do you want to press here? Okay, come. What are you doing? Here. Okay, we're too busy playing. All done? Okay, cool. And guys, it's as easy as that. You just leave that one side and you will start to get roots like that, and you will start to get roots from the one side, and you can see that little succulents themselves will start growing out of the leaves. Until next time. Rose, high five. High five, we did a good job. Yay, okay, say bye.
Yeah, ready.